Hi, I'm Corey. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today we have a GE washer that is overfilling and it's not wanting to stop filling, so it overfills. So we're going to replace the pressure switch and pressure hose down to the tub, and that should solve the issue. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a 1/4 inch nut driver, a ratchet, and a smaller thin putty knife. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. So we're going to start by removing the top 3 console screws, one here, here, and here. They're a 1/4 inch nut driver. So remove these. Slide your console forward, and then you gotta slide it over to unlock it, and then pull it up. Here's the pressure switch. We're gonna wanna remove this to replace it. So first start by unplugging it. Take your pressure tube switch, or your pressure tube off the switch. Okay. Right here's the knob. You got to remove the knob first. Pull that off. And then down here on the panel, there'll be a little locking tab. You want to release that tab and then turn it counterclockwise. Then you remove the pressure switch. Now we're going to reinstall your new pressure switch. Here's your tabs. And then here's your locking clip. So you want to make sure this locking tab is pointed towards you. You want to insert the switch and then lock it going clockwise until you hear it click and lock. You're going to want to remove this front panel here to access the pressure switch tube on the tub. So start by taking a putty knife here. There'll be little locking tabs about right here. You just push in on them to release the top. Then your front will pop off, and you just lift straight up. There's a little trick to removing your old tube here and installing the new one. You can take them and just attach them with a piece of tape, and when you pull it through, it'll run the line for you so you don't have to fish it through and lose the tube. So just tape these two together. Okay, so now you've got that attached to it. And now you can just pull the hose on through, and you'll notice your new one will come right with the old one. Okay, now you can take your tape off the line. Twist the clip off here for the tie. Disconnect your old hose from the tub. Then you're going to reconnect your new one to the existing spot. Then take your tie, reconnect the hose like so. Now you've rerouted your new tube. You're going to take the new tube and connect it to your new pressure switch. Ensure that you have a tight fit so that way that when this thing gets pressure, it won't just pop off. Okay, now that this tube is hooked up and pressure switch is, you're going to take the console. You'll notice that you had to unlock it, so you got to relock it. So slide it down in these tabs here. and then push straight over to the left. You'll feel it lock, and then you can push it back and now install your screws. You know, you've got your top locked back down. You're going to want to reinstall your 3/4 inch screws. One here at the corner. Now that you have installed the parts, you're going to want to run a test cycle just to make sure all the parts are working and check for leaks. And then after you've completed that, you can go ahead and reinstall the front panel. So now we're just going to start a normal cycle. Once we plug it in. Okay, you notice the 2 grooves there at the bottom. You're just going to slide them in. And then lock your cabinet in. And now your cabinet's successfully complete. Thank you for watching another quality repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.